Hey everybody, what's up? I'm here today to say that I've been attempting to trade for like the past year and a half. And I don't know what it was, but I just wasn't getting it. Like, I've tried to go through a couple other like academies, and like anytime I needed help and I would reach out, it would be like they take forever to get back, or if I'd have a question, the only thing they could do is like tell me like just go through the academy. So I'm scrolling on Facebook one day and I came across Saad's Forex for Beginners course. And when I tell you, the past 2 months has been the easiest trading course I have ever done. If you have any questions, all you have to do is log on in the student group. He'll add you to the student group. Log on to the student group. He gets back at you quick. The courses are simplified. Like, it's easy for you to understand. From the fib retracement to setting up your support and resistance to reading the EMAs. Like, if anybody's interested in trading, you definitely need to go to Saad's Forex for Beginners, and he'll get you right. Thank you, Saad, because I was ready to give up on trading, and now I'm like excited to do it because I'm actually getting it, I'm learning it, and I'm profiting in demo.